Hello, this is DUI Dan showing you a website called g2a.com. I came across it and it's got a lot of Steam keys for really cheap. I guess people sell keys on here or something, I don't know. But what I do know is I've been getting a lot of games for real cheap. So for example, I'm looking at a game that I want to buy on Steam. It's called Galicide. It looks like a fun game. It's multiplayer. It's $8.49. So I'm going to go on here and I'm going to search for that game. So I found it for $3.10. So let's go on there. And so it's global. It's Steam. And I'm going to agree to that. I don't need the shield. These keys always work for me. I would check out with PayPal, but for some reason PayPal doesn't work on this site for me. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what. So anyways, so I use my credit card. It is an HTTPS secured website, so you don't have to worry about garbage like other websites. It's HTTPS, means secured, it's safe. So I'm going to do buy now, and I'll be putting in my credit card info, and then I'll show you how I get the Steam key and enter it in Steam and get the game for cheap. So let's go to buy now. And currently got 2 items in my cart, which I don't need 2 of them. I just need 1. So let's go back over here. Buy now. Okay, so now I'm going to, it'll have you enter an email address, and let's go to the payment. So right here it's going to be the payment, and I'll click right in this right after I enter in this info. I click down on credit, debit card. So I got a MasterCard, just a small one that I use for online stuff. So I'll put in that info and then I'll show you what happens next. Okay, so my order's been successfully processed. Now it comes to a screen that says status processing, which I did enter my email, so I'll get this code, I'm pretty sure, in my email also. But usually I just sit at this screen and I just wait a moment for it to come. It usually pops up in the first 20-30 seconds, but the average wait time, you know, it says it's 4 minutes, but it usually, like I say, it comes up a lot quicker. So there it is, that quick. So I'm going to get the CD key right here, and this says Genocide Steam CD key. I'm not a robot. Now, yes, select all images with cactus. So verify. Now I got the Steam key. Okay, and so what I do is I copy this into the memory. I hold Control and press C, so it copies it in the memory when I have it highlighted. And then I go to Steam here, and I go to Games. Activate product on Steam, and you do next. I agree, and then you just put in the product code right there and you go next. It says duplicate product. Anyway, so that Steam key didn't work, so I went on here and I sent in a thing. That's the first time a key didn't work. I bought a lot of them, so I guess to have that whatever shield thing, I guess it's good to have. I think new users get it free for a month, where it guarantees that the key is going to work. So I would guess, you know, it's kind of like eBay, you know, there's kind of trust you got and kind of untrust. So you're working with people and keys or something. But so anyways, that one didn't work for me, so I'm going to try it again. Okay, as I wasn't paying attention, I'm buying from a seller that's 0%, that shows 34. The guy's got no stars. So I don't want to buy the digital key from him because it's that one right there. It's 0%. Why didn't I look at that? But this guy here has 1,110 with 100% stars. Let's buy a digital key from him. So I'm going to get right back to the menu after I pay for this and everything. I'm going to go again without the shield because there's another dispute area where I can do a dispute. Once I paid for this, got the Steam key and everything, then I'm going to pop back on the menu and let's see how it registers. Oh, by the way, it says select your location. I do outside of Europe, Union, 0 VAT, whatever this is anyways, I don't know. So here we go. Here's where I enter my email. I put I have read and accept the terms. I put in the email where I want my code to go to also. And then I'm going to go to payment, and I'm going right back to where I put in my MasterCard and get my code. Okay, now so you know, this is the second time, but from a trusted source with 5 stars. So it's like you know, eBay or some of them other places, you know, you look on there, you see if a person's trustworthy. Obviously, the first guy I bought from had no stars, 34 on there. This guy's got 1,110 with 5 stars, 100%. So, yeah, next time I think I'll pay a little bit more attention. I am confident that this key is going to work. So, let's see as it processes. It should pop up any moment, and then we'll pop it in Steam and see if I get the game for cheaper. Still, I think if I add them both up, one key that didn't work, one key that did, I still think I got the game cheaper. But if you look on there and you get trusted sources, you know, that's the way you want to go. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to get the key. I'm not a robot again. Select all images with sandwiches. So I got them. I'm going to verify. Okay, here we go. I got the key. And then I go into product right here. That was the one that said that this had already been activated. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to place the other key that I got. And activation successful. Galicide right there. Next. Now it says disk space available and I install it. And there we go. So finished. So now I have got the game downloading, and all you do is you just go to activate a product on Steam, you go to next, you agree, and you put the code right there, and there you go. That's how you can get a lot of stuff that's on Steam for a lot cheaper through the website g2a.com.